Hello and welcome to JSS channel. I am Paramita Roy. Today is the fourth class of the Speak English Fluently series, and today we are going to learn how to speak English fluently in a very easy way. Don't worry about grammar mistakes, don't be shy. Start speaking English little by little every day. Remember, practice is the key to speak English fluently. First, repeat after me. Don't speak slowly. Try to speak loudly, confidently. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm fine. What are you doing? I'm speaking. I'm studying. I'm running. যখন আমরা যেটা করছি সেটা আমরা আইএনজি যোগ করে বলতে হবে। Where are you going? I'm going to school. I'm going to market. বলা যাবে। Let's start with some daily use sentences like I'm very busy right now. আমি এখন প্রচন্ড ব্যস্ত। তাহলে আমরা বলতে পারি যে I am very busy right now মানে এখন। Wait for a moment. কিছুক্ষণ ওয়েট করো। I'm trying hard. আমি ভীষণ চেষ্টা করছি। My English is improving day by day. আমার ইংলিশ day by day improve হচ্ছে। I can speak English. It is very easy. হ্যাঁ, আমি ইংলিশে কথা বলতে পারি। English is easy.